What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue about to do this hair do. So if you're interested, stick around. Boo.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Y'all know Arabella. I have worked with this company so many times I cannot even count. So today's hair is from them, and I have in a reddish brown wavy unit. She is absolutely beautiful, so stunning. Brown from root to ends, absolutely gorgeous. I believe she is 150 or 180% density. I'm not 100% sure. She's 26 inches and she's really full. Like, she's really full and beautiful. This is a silky texture, but absolutely gorgeous. I think this will be a great unit for the autumn season because, you know, browns in the autumn, we tend to go really dark when the weather is getting colder, which I completely understand. But a brown like this is definitely autumn friendly. She screams autumn to me, at least. Like, when I looked at this, I was like, that's it's giving autumn. Okay, it's giving autumn. This is a 5x5 closure, so it is completely glueless. Completely glueless. Okay, so she is easy to throw on and just get right out of the door, which I love. I have a thing for the 5x5s, the 6x6, the 4x4s, mostly 5x5 and 6x6 units. Like, it's giving frontal, but just not quite, which makes the wear time and the wear process a lot more easier. Like, you can just throw it on and go. You don't have to worry about sticking down the edges. A unit like this, like, you can still finesse it, okay? You can still finesse it. I think it's really great. Just like, you know, let it fall, let it frame your face type of unit. Like, if you have somewhere to go at night, a really quick date, like, you just throw your bendy rollers in this, put it down to the side and wear it on your date. You're good to go. You guys know if it's not good hair, it will not make it to the channel, okay? I sift through these hairs. I, you know, test them out. I wear them like, okay, like, I can tell if it's gonna give me trouble or not, all right? So you don't have to worry, all right? And plus, I've worked with this company so many times I can't even count. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. So without further ado, let's get right on in to the clip.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. Baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. And I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. fire. Trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over, we could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you.
Yeah, so that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this. I really do like this hair. I think it is so pretty. It complements my brown skin really, really well, okay? This is gonna look gorgeous on us black girls, any skin tone for that matter, okay? The way that they colored this hair is to perfection. It truly is a chocolatey auburn ginger type of thing. I do have my lights on in the back, which is reflecting it really, really pretty. So if you wear this in the sunlight, it's gonna just give hues and, you know, like, it's just a vibe. It's just a vibe. Really beautiful. It holds a curl. This curled so well when I put the flat iron, not the flat iron, the curling iron in it just to bump up the front. I was surprised because sometimes silky texture can be a little bit tricky when it comes to curling hair, but this, because of the wavy texture, it's gonna hold a curl. If you want to straighten it, you can totally straighten it, but I'm a girl that loves curls, okay? So yeah, shout outs to Arabella for sponsoring today's video. If it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in, we are a happy bunch. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, share the video because sharing is caring, comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. Make sure you check out Arabella. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, everything is under my name. And until the next video, take care of yourselves and I will see you guys really, really soon.